So once you click the link in the description, it's going to bring you right to this page. If you haven't made an account yet, just do a quick login with your Google account. Once you're in, all you got to do is click on Video, then hit Seedance 2.0 4K. And that's it from here. Now, if you want to use the Claude Higgsfield MCP, you can actually connect Higgsfield directly with Claude and generate your videos right inside the chat. For those of you who watched my last video, you already know we used elements to create those consistent character scenes, the man with his pet monkey, and the woman with her dog. So today, I'm using the exact same prompt, but we are bumping the resolution up to 4K. Just 1080p versus 4K. Let's see the difference. All right, let's check out the video.
Hey, let's go for a walk. Now, I just sat down. Trust me, evening's perfect.
All right, let's roll it. I'm putting the original 1080p clip right next to the new 4K render. Look how clean that is. The detail is absolutely insane. Let me zoom in on both clips so you can see the real difference. Now, look at the next scene. Here's the 1080p, and this is the 4K.
Beautiful night, huh?
Hi, I'm Sam. This is Roger.
I'm Maya, and this troublemaker is Biscuit.
So that was using text prompts along with their elements feature. But now, check this out. I have this image right here. They're sitting on a balcony, having this super emotional, heartbroken moment. Let's animate this. We're going to bring this exact image into video in full 4K. Let's see how it handles it.
Is this really how it ends?
We don't have a choice!
So in the prompt, I specifically asked for their hair and clothes to be blowing in the wind out there on the balcony, and wow, it looks insanely windy. But the absolute craziest part. Look at the detail. It is so incredibly sharp. The old 1080p videos always looked kinda soft, but this is generated natively by the model in 4K. No upscaling tricks, just razor sharp, super clean, and completely natural looking footage. So we already saw how insane the quality is using elements in image to video, just completely sharp, clean, and natural. Now let's test text to video in 4K native generation. Let's see the output.
You promised me we were done with this. You lied to me!
I had no choice. It's never that simple.
Honestly, at this point, won't it be hard to tell whether a video is real or AI generated? Seriously, if I saw this scrolling online and nobody told me, I would never know it was made with AI, much less that I generated it myself, right here on a browser. It's just wild. Next up, let's try creating a premium ad video for a fake luxury skincare brand called SkillDestiny Glow. We're prompting for a beautiful blonde woman with flawless skin holding a sleek glass dropper bottle in a minimalist studio. We're adding a holographic infographic right in the scene that reads, SkillDestiny Cellular Region, plus 140% hydration. Let's generate it and see the result. Okay, so the text animation and infographic aren't perfect. I definitely could have guided that a bit better in my prompt. But look at her skin. The detail is insanely sharp. You can literally see the textures and the way the light hits her face. This is absolutely wild. All right, check this out. Let me show you a few more video clips generated in 4K using Seedance 2.0.
Okay, today's the day. I can feel it in my fur.
Wait, the lost chamber? It's real!
Whoa!
Was it important?
Alright, so that is the massive new update. You can now jump into Higgsfield and generate native 4K video. But honestly, there is an even more impressive, incredibly useful feature I have to show you. I'm talking about using the Higgsfield MCP with Claude Code. It takes tasks that used to drain hours of your time and energy, and makes them completely effortless. Now, if you watched my previous video, you already know how to connect Higgsfield's MCP to Claude. You've seen how Claude can script and generate short films, YouTube videos, and images behind the scenes. But today, I want to show you a brand new use case. I'm going to show you exactly how to run a highly automated, completely faceless YouTube channel using just Higgsfield MCP and Claude Code. Let's set it up. There are so many faceless YouTube channels popping up right now using AI. But let me show you this one specific channel called Stickly. When you check their oldest video, it was posted just 4 weeks ago. This channel is literally 1 month old. But look at these numbers. Over 1 million views on a single video, massive subscriber growth, and they're already earning close to $4,000. If a brand new channel can scale this much in 30 days, 5 months from now is going to be a completely different story. The best part, we can do exactly what these channels are doing, using Higgsfield MCP and Claude Code. Let me show you how you can do it too. Once you're connected to Higgsfield, open up Claude and click on Code. Now we're going to give it a command, like analyze this channel, look at the hook, and write a similar video script for me. Then just paste the channel URL. Right here, I'm dropping the link to Stickly. To be clear, we are not copying their content. We are just using AI to understand their structural formula so we can create our own unique video. Now for the prompt. I'm telling Claude, generate the full script and images for a 10-minute video, connect to Higgsfield, use its image model, and pull my custom clone channel voice for the voiceover. I'm even instructing it to automatically assemble the images in voiceover using FFmpeg, layer in sound effects, and export the finished video directly into our folder. Alright, let's open up the file and see what we've actually got here. Honestly, it's crazy to think about what this just did in the background. It looked at what people are actually watching in this niche, wrote the script, made the images, used my clone voice, stitched the whole thing together, and just dumped the finished video right here on my drive. Let's open it up and see how it actually looks. You're standing in line waiting for absolutely nothing. The room is quiet. Nothing is happening. And then for no reason at all, you feel it. That prickle crawling up the back of your neck. The certainty that somewhere, someone is staring at you. So you turn around. And you're right, someone was. But your back was turned, there was no sound, and they never moved. So how did you know? You just detected a pair of eyes you couldn't even see. With the back of your head. It's not psychic. It's something far stranger because it's completely real. It's running in your brain right now, and it comes down to 4 things stacked on top of each other. Alright, the video is completely ready. I'm not going to play the whole thing here because that would take way too long. But if you want to see the full finished version, I'll leave a link down in the description for you. Now, I already have a few faceless channels that are doing really well, but I wanted to do this completely live. Right here, together with you from scratch. It suggested the name Little Curiosities. The channel is officially created, so let's get this video uploaded right now. And just like that, the video is published and live.